How to play YouTube in background. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can play YouTube in background. So in order to play YouTube in background, for that you need to make sure that you already have a premium account. Unless and until if you don't have a premium account, you'll not be able to play it in your background. Only if you have a premium account, then you can play it on your background. In my case as well, I don't have a premium account, but in your case, if you have a premium account, what you need to do is, in order to enable it to play it in your background, you need to go to your profile icon. After that, go to settings. After that, you'll be able to see multiple options underneath. Go ahead and tap on general. Right over here, if you have a premium account, you'll be able to find an option as picture in picture, so you'll need to toggle the switch for that. After that, you need to exit from the YouTube application, and then you'll need to long press on your YouTube application. After that, tap the I button or the app info icon, and once again scroll down right to the bottom, and you can see that you have an option as picture in picture. Click on it. Make sure that you have enabled this. After that, go ahead and log in into your YouTube account once again, and then you'll be able to play the specific video in your background from YouTube. So in this way you can play YouTube in background. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.